What's up everyone, it's Anson here. Today I'm going to show you guys the Streethunter's spoiler kit and the fitment issues that it comes with. If you got OCD, this probably ain't the one for you. Excuse my mic setup, I was just doing exhaust noise videos. So if you look down here, check out that gap. You could see the tail light through the crack here, and on the other side there's no gap. And on top of the spoiler, you could see the screws that hold the carbon part on. And an issue that should have been brought up before the install is that this wing is extremely heavy and you need to change the 2 hydraulic struts that are in the back if you still want to use your trunk. Let me show you. So now that the wing is on here, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Once you prop it up, sometimes on colder days, it'll just come back down unexpectedly, slowly like that. So if your head was in there or something, you'd probably be decapacitated. And also, if you look from here, you could see a clearer view of the fitment. And this was installed by a highly rated body shop here in my city. So it was no DIY backyard activities. And it creates a bunch of holes down here and screws, which you probably know. Closing it, you got to be careful now that it's extremely heavy. If you let go here, it's gonna slam and probably blow out your back glass. So these are just some tips. These are some of the things that I would want to know before having a wing like this installed. And if you're OCD, probably look at another company. But other than that, if you take a look at it from far away, it looks dope. So there's that. Let me know if you guys got any questions or comments. You can leave them down below.